Good morning. It's Merritt here with Apteros Trading. Looking at the S&P futures, let's start by recapping yesterday relative to the daily market insight that we put out. So here it is. We did mention that this would be a bullish level if we got there. It didn't happen. Main thesis was bearish from here. That was high of day. That was the trade location. That was where you wanted to work shorts, and maybe even get aggressive and add here. No continuation, into the essentially target areas, which is the next key inflection. Buyers and sellers kind of found equilibrium and very choppy, very sideways into the close. But beautiful opportunity early to get involved in a great thesis and make a few ticks. All right, let's go look at today. All right, so September 9th, here's the landscape as I see it. Competing narratives here. You can, again, kind of forget about this bull level down here. It could be enacting some control on this market a little bit, but we're going to pretty much, again, treat this level as a bullish level if we get there and if buyers show up from there. Otherwise, we could almost look at the DMI like this. And this is, in fact, I'll leave the screen like this. This is kind of how we should focus on it. So competing immediate narratives here where we have bearish pressure from here, bullish pressure from here. Obviously things like short-term overnight, we tried to get below and hold, below this area and have recently failed. So for me, I'm leaning a little more short-term bullish. Okay. I guess in fact for transparency, I am currently long. So looking for new highs, looking for a retest of this 22 area, but I fully respect this bearish level and the fact that it could cap us. It could end up being the most important thing, but I'm a short-term trader. I'm going with the shorter term here, and if the bears show up and respond and are in control from here, as they showed here, there's not a lot of buying in this market, by the way. Not a lot of buying in this market. So we're going to need to see more strength from the buyers, and we're going to need to see this bearish area not continue to cap us and hold us down. So that's what I'm positioned for right now. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm trading. I could look for ads and ways to get even, bigger in a position long if we, are holding above the bear level. If we start to hold above 22, both of those being places where I'll look to, get more aggressive and build an even bigger position for, a potential nice trend day higher or what have you. Let's keep in mind that this week we have not seen any form of continuation. It's been days that test and key areas, and we've got great levels, and they look like they're going to go one way, and then they end up just kind of drifting back or chopping. So that's kind of the environment we're in right now. So keep that in mind. So this trade's working out nicely here. We could look to actually take some, partial profits into this high. Let's see what the tape looks like and whatnot. So I'm going to end the video here and manage this. And I should say, pretty much all systems go to be bearish below 4503. That's important, right? So if this whole thing fails, we get below here, start to see some retest into here. Well, guess what? That's the same kind of position as yesterday, that I traded and whatnot. Was short from that bearish line in the sand, looking for 75 area. So that if we get and hold below here, that's what's on the table again. Kind of the same plan as yesterday. Cheers.